Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I want to show you how to clear up cache and data on your ALCATEL 1B 2022. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for apps selection and now view all apps. Not that. Right there. And there we have storage and cache of our Google Play Store view all app, and there we have list of our application where we can clear up cache and data. Maybe we choose Gmail, and there storage and cache, and there we can clear it by click there and we click our cache and clear our data by that and confirm by OK, and we clean all. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.